Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V10 is making a horrible noise while cleaning, it's likely that the motor is failing. This can happen due to wear and tear or blockages, and if left unattended, it may lead to more severe damage or a complete breakdown of your vacuum. Addressing this issue promptly can save you both time and money later on. For this repair, you will need a set of screwdrivers, a replacement motor, and a pair of tweezers. First, ensure your Dyson is unplugged and laid flat on a clean surface. Begin by removing the dust container by pressing the release button and lifting it away. Next, locate the screws securing the main body. Using the appropriate screwdriver, carefully unscrew them, taking care not to strip the heads. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the sections of the vacuum, being cautious of any clips that may still be attached. At this point, you will see the motor assembly. If you are unsure, consult your user manual for guidance on identifying the motor. To extract the motor, disconnect the wires attached to it, noting their positions for reassembly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After disconnecting the wires, remove the screws holding the motor in place. Carefully lift the motor out, ensuring you do not damage any surrounding components. Replace it with the new motor, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the wires as you noted earlier, making sure they are firmly attached. Now, it's time to reassemble your Dyson. Align the body sections and press them together until you hear a click, indicating they are secure. Replace the screws in the order you removed them, ensuring they are tightened but not over-tightened, as this can cause damage. Finally, reattach the dust container, plug in your Dyson, and test it to see if the strange noise has disappeared. To prevent this problem from recurring, make sure to regularly clean the filters and avoid vacuuming larger debris that could block the motor. Additionally, always store your Dyson in a dry place to protect it from moisture. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.